My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I've worked thousands of cases. I've been on the national news many times. Just go to my website at 777irs.com. I worked so many cases at IRS, I lost track. These aren't infomercials for me. I make these really for you. And today I want to talk to you about losing your passport and all this periphery that evolves around what IRS does. Long time ago, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years ago, there was a FAST Act passed. It's not that it was fast, it was FAST, Road Resurfacing Act. And in it, IRS slid this in that if you have serious tax debt, at that time it was $52,000. That's what IRS considered serious. Now it's $62,000. It goes up with inflation, that they could go ahead and take your passport, suspend it, revoke it. And that's what they do. It's a great way for IRS to pick up billions of dollars, because if you want to travel, you want to go abroad for a funeral, a wedding, business, IRS isn't going to let you go if you have serious tax debt. So what do you have to do? Well, what IRS does is they have sent a series of letters out. They filed a federal tax lien, and they sent you a 508C letter. You may not have got any of this information. You could have moved, ignored the letter, whatever. So they've contacted the State Department and says, hey, put a freeze on this passport. So if you want to get your passport back, this is what you have to do. It takes time. You're not going to get this overnight. The first thing you have to do immediately is resolve your tax debt with IRS. That's a must right away. As soon as you hear this, you can call me or call whoever, but you have to get your IRS tax debt going. How's that happen? IRS wants a financial statement. You're probably going to call the 1-800 number, and that 1-800 number is going to take a financial statement. They're going to take a 433F on you. You can download it, look at it, short 2-page form. That is going to determine your financial future. Yes, that form is very important. You should not be giving IRS that 433F. Honestly, by yourself. If you do, you're crazy, but you can try, but you're probably not going to have the same result I will, or a professional. So with that form, they will ask for documents, and three things are going to happen. They're either going to put you into currently non-collectible, which means at the time they looked at your financial statement, you can't pay. They're either going to put you in a payment agreement, which most people go into because they don't know any better. They get sucked into a payment plan because they didn't use a professional, or you can file an offer and compromise if in fact you're eligible. Those are the three verticals you will need to go ahead and get past this IRS phase, and they may want your tax returns filed. They usually do. So with that, once you close that case with IRS, and like we do this stuff faster than most people, IRS then notifies the State Department, and then they go ahead and they release the freeze on your passport. So I want you to know, if you are out of that 90-day window, when IRS sent you the 508C letter, God, I got so many forms in my head. Your passport, you're going to have to apply for a brand new passport. Probably will be just as fast as trying to get it reinstated, but you will have to apply for a new passport. Anyway, that's the whole skinny on this. If you need me, give me a call. We can get your passport back as fast as possible. Remember, a lot depends on IRS. So give me a subscription. I tell you what you need. You can email me, text me. I do answer my own phone. Thank you. I'm available only for representation.